All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about this Ultenic robot vacuum. Now, I was sent this just to try it out and tell you guys what I think about it. Now, I already did run it one time in my house and it seemed to work pretty well, so I can tell you a little bit about it when I show you here on the video how it runs. Very easy, very simple. Now, I'll show you everything that came in the box. This was the box that came in. It did come well packaged. This box was inside of another box, and then that box was inside of, it was pretty much in 3 boxes. So there's the box. That box is empty. It has a quick start guide. Then the user manual. You look at this user manual, it looks real thick, so maybe that looks scary, but that is not true because only this is all I have to read right there. That's all English. The rest is all different languages. And you got a warranty card. I got a couple of pieces that go on the bottom, like this will mop your floor. You can put water in this and it's going to mop the floor a little bit. I don't think, definitely not as good as if you were actually using a mop, but for small little things, I think this will work okay. And this is the robot. It has a pretty nice weight to it. Definitely for the price point, I think this is a good value. Comes with an extra filter. I'll show you where that goes. The remote, this is what I like. I think this is how I would use it. You can actually download an app. It shows you this QR code right down here at the bottom corner. You can put an app on and run all the stuff off of the app. I want to show you that this thing is very simple. You can pull it out of your box, pretty much put it up to the charging station, which is also a station that's going to suck out all the dirt in this bag right here. So that's supposed to last for about 30 to 45 days, and then you can dump that, which is nice, so you don't have to worry about dumping this every time. I just want to show you that you can use this just as simple as you want without having to use the app. Now the app would be nice because you can program it to go at certain times of the day, maybe certain days of the week. You can tell it to not go into a certain room or not to go into a certain area. Now it does come with an extra bag. I really believe you could probably just open this up and try to dump some of that dirt out to reuse these bags a few times. It comes with an extra brush that is on the bottom down here, just clips on, and this little cleaning tool, that's to help clean the brushes down here. This brush will come off. Now you just clip that open. You can pull this off and clean this out. See, I have some of my wife's hair stuck on there already. And that, I want to show you, that's what this little tool is for. There's a little spot there that you can cut the stuff. So you can run that right through there and it will cut all that. And you can pull that off. And you can easily put it back in. This part here comes out.
Dustbin is not installed.
Oh, yeah, it talks to you. Guess I could tell you that. But this is where it's going to hold all the dirt and dust. There's where that extra filter would go. Now you could also take that off and just try to blow that out too. Here's where the water would go if you want to use the mop feature, but you would take that off by clipping that up. Let me flip this around. Just slides in the back here.
Dustbin has been installed.
Then also this little mopping feature, that just slides in here in the back too. Clips right in. Just like that. Now there's 2 little buttons here that you would clip to the side to take that back off. And it does come with an extra one. Talk to you about this remote a little bit because I think this is what I like the most. Now to start, I can't push this right now because I think it'll start because it's all turned on. But I would just push that center button to start it. And you can also pause it by pushing that middle button. You can return it to the home and recharge by pushing this button. This is your mopping button. And then there's quiet mode over here. Designated area cleaning button here. This is gonna, this one down here will turn the suction up and down. And this is a max button. The front, it senses when it hits a wall. and it has sensors here on the front. I think it's just these two things here, like the sensors, so it knows when it gets to some steps. Along with this piece up top here, this is also a sensor. All right, I got the dock station plugged into the wall, and another thing is you need to have 2 foot on each side and about 5 foot in the front of it.
Charging.
Now I'm going to pull this bag out. This is the bag I used the other day. So there's already some dirt in there. I'm going to put this brand new one in, and I'll show you how much dirt at the end of this I get. Now I just tried this yesterday, so I don't know how real dirty my floors are. All right, let's push play. Here we go. See, it won't go down over them steps. It also won't go over that area, because that could go under there and go down over my railing. I want to see what happens when it goes out back behind all these chairs. Is it going to get stuck back there somewhere or what? Is it going to come out of there? Oh yeah. The thing is slick. See, this thing goes around and it finds all the edges of the room, and then it will go back and clean all the center. It seems to do it in little sections though. You'd think it would do the entire room, but the first time I did it, it seemed like it did half the room, then it went and it did another half of another room. Kind of weird, but it did seem to clean the entire room. There, see, now it's going around my chair. It seems to be doing better than it did the first time. I think it like learns your room, and I don't even have this really connected to the app. Like I said, I wanted to use it the most simple way it could. Just hook it up, push play. That was it. Now it's going to go under that TV. And while this is running, one thing you got to watch, you got to watch for different wires or like shoelaces. You want to pick some of your shoes up, some of your wires up. Now it's going under my dog bed. My dog's wondering what in the heck's going on. If you're home and it does suck something up and it kind of gets stuck in it, you can pause it and pull out whatever you sucked up. See, that's going around that leg. That's crazy. There, it pretty much went around my entire living room. I want to show you how it goes up over this lip from my living room to my kitchen. It will make it up over that. Uh-oh, I'm gonna call me a liar. Now look, let's see what happens. Is it gonna keep trying to go? Oh, back up, try it again. There it goes. It's like smart enough to know to back up and go at a different angle. Let's see what my cat does. Uh-oh. Watch out, cat. Come on, Piper. My curtains kind of mess it up a little, I think. So if you have curtains, they could goof it up a little. See, it won't go under them. I did notice that my chair obstacle course here kind of messes it up a little, but easily understood because there's legs all over the place and it can't even fit through all them spots, so it kind of tends to just try to go around. All right, another thing you can do with this remote is I can turn the suction up. Just like that. Right now it seems to be trying to do some of its like back and forth motions. All right, it's heading back to the charging dock. Let's see how it does. Works better on that bump when it goes on an angle. This is how it docks.
Start dust collection.
All right, let's take this bag out and we'll see how much dirt it sucked up. Now I only vacuumed my living room, kitchen, and a hallway. See, when you pull that out, it does shut that. There is some dirt, but like I said, I vacuumed yesterday, so. Oh, look, I sucked up a fly. Oh, that's nice. Well, there, now you know you can dump some of the dirt out. Oh, yeah, there's a bunch still in there. It's kind of hard to, you can work on it. There's a big old wad right there. It's mainly just my dog hair. Still more down in there. It's kind of hard to dump it all out, but I'm gonna guess you could probably try to reuse these quite a few times if you try to dump some of that out. All right, that's it for this video. If you'd like to check one of these out, I will have a link down in the description and in my first comment. I have to say I'm pretty impressed with this thing. Kind of incredible how it goes around the room and then it comes back and vacuums the whole center of the room. And I did run it on high for maybe about half of that. And like I said, I did vacuum yesterday, so there wasn't really too much dirt on my floor. I could dump out all that dirt too and show you I did get a lot of dirt from yesterday to today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment down below and hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. God bless and have a great day.